You know, we're often asked, how much do you charge per pier? Well, let's talk about it.
We've been serving the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex since 1985. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We at Williamson are all about education, and our YouTube channel is designed to help you, the homeowner, understand all about foundation problems, foundation repairs, drainage corrections, all those things, so that if you are faced with them and you have to have that work done, you're going to be an informed consumer. You have a better result from the company you use. We also want to make sure that we educate you to be able to avoid foundation problems. We're going to tell you everything we know and everything we can to try to keep you out of trouble and try to help you out if your house has problems.
So asking what we charge per pier is a little bit like calling a tire company and asking them what they charge per tire. The truth is there's a million different tires out there, and at that point the tire company has no idea what type of tire your car needs, even what size it is. So we offer all types of different piers, but there are cheap piers out there and there are quality piers out there. We only deal in the highest quality piers, both concrete and steel. Now, that means that we're not going to be the cheapest price in town, but we are obviously not going to be the highest priced either. We're really right in that sweet spot. So we're always going to offer you the best value for your investment on your foundation repair. So give us a call, let us come out. The evaluations are free. We can look at your home, we can look at the needs, we can look at the conditions, and we can tell you exactly which pier is best suited for your home. And at that point, we can tell you exactly what it's going to cost per pier.